Hey math enthusiasts! Welcome back to Maths with Sass, where we make math exciting and fun. Today, I'll show you how to create a magic square for any odd NBYing grid step by step, using numbers from 1 to n. It's simple, it's fascinating, and it works for any odd-sized magic square, like 3 by 3, 5 by 5, or even bigger. In this video, we'll start with a 3 by 3 magic square using numbers 1 to 9, and I'll explain the universal method that works for any odd-sized magic square. Let's dive into the magic. In a magic square, every row, column, and diagonal adds up to the same number. This is called the magic constant, and it can be calculated using this formula. Magic constant equals n into n to the power 2 plus 1 and divided by 2. For a 3 by 3 magic square, we get 15. So, for a 3 by 3 magic square, every row, column, and diagonal must sum to 15. So this is the answer for the 3 by 3 magic square, where every row sum to 15, every column sum to 15, and both diagonals sum to 15. Now, here's how you can construct a magic square for any odd-sized grid. Follow these simple rules. Rule 1. Start by placing the number 1 in the top middle cell. Rule 2. If you are in top row, place next in the bottom row of the next column. Rule 3. If you are in rightmost column, place it in the leftmost column of the row above. Rule 4. Otherwise, move diagonally up and to the right. Rule 5. If a cell is already filled, move directly down one space instead. Let's apply these rules step by step. Place 1 in the top middle cell. In general, we have go diagonally upright. Since we're at the top row, wrap around to right and to the bottom row, and place 2. Since we're at the rightmost column, wrap around up and go to the leftmost column, and place 3. If not in top row or most right column, move diagonally upright. The cell is already filled, so instead, move down one cell and place 4. Continue placing the numbers. Move diagonally upright. If free, so place 5. Move diagonally upright. If free, so place 6. Since we're at the top row, wrap around to the right and bottom row. There are no place since we are in the most right row. Even as per the most right row, we cannot go up and place in most left. That is also not possible. So only option is go one down. Since we're at the rightmost column, wrap around to the top and leftmost column, and place 8. Since we're at the top row, wrap around to the right and to the bottom row, and place 9. And there you have it. A completed 3 by 3 magic square where every row, column, and diagonal adds up to 15. For a 5 by 5 magic square, you'll start with 1 in the top middle cell and follow the same rules. This method works for any odd n times in magic square. Now it's your turn. Try creating a 7 by 7 magic square using numbers 1 to 49. Follow the same rules, and share your completed grid in the comments below. I'll pin the best solution. If you love this math trick, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting math puzzles and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.